If your phone dies before lunch, this one's for you. You can actually ask AI to audit your battery settings, like having a free tech friend built into your pocket. Open ChatGPT or Gemini and say, "Analyze my phone battery settings and tell me what's draining power." It'll walk you through exactly what to fix. Things like lowering screen brightness, turning off background app refresh, disabling motion effects, or closing location services you never use. If you're on iPhone, have it write a shortcuts automation that turns on low power mode automatically when your battery hits 40%. If you're on Android, it can tell you how to limit background apps and switch to battery saver faster. You can even go a step further and ask, "What settings use the most power on my model phone?" The AI can search real data and tailor the fix for your exact device. 10 minutes of tweaks and your phone lasts hours longer, all without digging through hidden menus. Stop guessing what to turn off. Just ask. This is HackStack. Fast, simple hacks that actually work.